Few weeks back I faced a disaster during an EV charger installation. I accidentally spilled the ferrule tub. I scattered them across the car park like it was confetti at a wedding. While spending my afternoon picking up and organising 1,000 ferrules, I realised it was time to reassess our storage solutions. Choosing a storage system as an electrician is one of the biggest decisions you'll face, as once you've taken the plunge and chosen a particular system, it's difficult to escape, as you are literally locked in, as none of these systems are compatible. Lots of people choose a system often by their favourite power tool brands, which is a challenge for us as we've got a selection of Makita kitchen appliances, specialist Milwaukee stuff and the beast that is the rigid struts layer. We could of course opt for a DeWalt case, which would fool people into believing that there's nothing inside worth stealing. So rather than indulging in power tool fanboyism, we could choose a manufacturer who just specialises in storage. And we've discovered a new brand which is big in Poland and now is ready to challenge the storage needs of our fine country, one storage box at a time. So here it is, it's the Cubric system. The Cubric range is immense with a few different family options. However, I'm aiming for a more comfortable technical role somewhere in between electrician and clean coat. So today I'm going to be exploring the Pro Vision, which is just a bit narrower and has these lovely drawers as an option, while still having an IP54 rating for when you are sitting underneath that plumber's mishap. I've watched a few videos on other pack-out systems and there seems to be a trend in creating hacks to the system to find ingenious ways of using these systems in ways the manufacturer hasn't thought of. So here's my first hack. Using this handle designed to create a carry tote from this crate, it also makes a great cable reel holder with plenty of space for the valuable cut-offs destined for that green cable bin. All of the Pro modules are 450mm wide by 340mm deep and easily latched together with the robust locking tags, which also offer a hinge action for quick access in specific configurations. When you've built up a stack of containers, you'll probably need to think about a set of wheels. Two options here, a trolley or a dolly. The dolly is an excellent option if you're working in a workshop or factory maintenance environment. And it's time for another hack. You can convert the dolly to a mobile seat using a few cable drums, and don't worry, it's rated to 100 kilograms. If you are working on site, then the trolley is a better option with bigger wheels, so you can easily drag it up curbs and stairs. The retractable handle is a brake, so the trolley won't roll away on a hill. If you tend to drive like Gary, you might find the need for something to secure your tools. That's where this multi-adaptor plate comes into play. It can be securely attached to the surface to keep your toolbox in place, whether on the floor or mounted on the wall. This could serve as an alternative solution to van racking. Keep in mind that the weight limit for wall mounting is 15 kg as opposed to 50 kg for floor mounting. The flexibility of multi-adaptor continues. Quick Brick have even included a hack for you to work on in your spare time with a template to create a workbench. Numerous choices are available in toolboxes in terms of sizes, depth and insert variation. Some toolboxes even offer nested compartments. Personally, I find the drawer cases appealing, especially after mastering the ingenious latching system. Additionally, there's a convenient feature to include labels. What do you think of the Cubric system? Would you opt for this system over the pack-out or any other storage solutions? Maybe you're already using the Cubric system. If so, let me know in the comments below. For more informative videos, shoot across here. But till then, I'll see you on the flip side. Ta-da.